With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so let's discuss the question. The question here says the classification of organism based on chromosome number is called. So we have to say the classification which is on the basis of the number of chromosome is called as which among the following options. Now if you're looking through the options, all the options have one common word, taxonomy. Alright, see every option has taxonomy. Okay, at least the three options. Now, what is taxonomy? Taxonomy is what? Taxonomy is the branch of biology. And what does this branch of biology studies? It deals with the naming and classification of different living organisms. So classifying the living organisms into different classes on the basis of many other factors and naming them is what comes under the taxonomy branch of biology, and we call this as taxonomy. Now taxonomy has different bases on which the classification is done, and on the basis of what basis is used, we can name this as different type like cytotaxonomy, numerical taxonomy, karyotaxonomy, etc. Okay, now one by one we can see what is the type of or the given options. We can see one by one. Okay, now first option is cytotaxonomy. Now what is cytotaxonomy? Cytotaxonomy. Okay, this is a branch or this is a type of taxonomy or a branch of taxonomy in which it classifies the living organism based on what? It classifies the living organism based on study of chromosomal pattern. Okay, during meiosis. So during meiosis, what is the chromosomal pattern? Based on that, the living organism are classified. So such a classification is called as cytotaxonomy. And in this, cell's behavior and chromosomal number is also considered. Chromosome number. So anything regarding the chromosome or the chromosomal pattern, this the basis of that and the taxonomy is done. This is called as cytotaxonomy. So the answer to our question, the chromosome number, is option A, cytotaxonomy. Okay. Now if you're looking at the rest of the option, the second one is numerical taxonomy. And just like the name suggests, numerical taxonomy is a method or the branch of taxonomy in which we use numerical methods or the numerical methods to classify. We use numerical methods like cluster analysis and all that numerical methods. We basically, what do? We give scores to each characters, and based on that score we classify them. So the scores are given to each characteristic for each traits. So such each traits or characteristics, and on the basis of these scores the classification is done. So we are using the numerical methods, and that is why, as the name suggests, we call this branch of taxonomy as numerical taxonomy. Alright. Now third is karyotaxonomy. Karyotaxonomy is the branch of taxonomy in which any living organism is classified on the basis of the studies of nucleus or on the properties of nucleus. So how is the nucleus and what is the properties of the nucleus? On the basis of this, the classification is done. Alright, like the structure of the nucleus, the pattern of and the shape of chromosomes, etc. So anything regarding the nucleus and the properties of nucleus, on the basis of that, if the classification is done, that particular branch of taxonomy is called as karyotaxonomy. As we all know, karyo refers to as nucleus, right? So karyotaxonomy. And we all know biochemistry. Biochemistry is what? Biochemistry is a field of science, right? Which we study the chemistry of the biological molecules, right? Biochemistry. Now, if we also have a biochemical taxonomy. All right, biochemical taxonomy. But what is biochemical taxonomy? Biochemical taxonomy is the branch of taxonomy, and it is also called as chemotaxonomy. Chemotaxonomy. In this, the organisms are classified on the basis of similarities or the differences or anything on the basis of their chemical compositions. Chemical compositions. composition of the individual. So what is they are the biomolecules, and on the chemical composition of that living organism, they are classified. So these are called as chemotaxonomy, biochemical taxonomy. Okay, so our answer, the classification organism based on chromosome number, is option A, cytotaxonomy. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.